Good morning, students. Again, we are welcome you on the online classes. Dear students, in online class that we have discussed there are too many topics, and the chapter name you know very well. The name of the chapter is microorganisms, friends or foes. So, dear students, we have discussed so many points related to this chapter, and there were too many topics into that. We have discussed the antibiotics, immunity, pathogens, and toxins, communicable disease, as well as we have also discussed the plant pathogens and the animal pathogens and how they transmit and what are the causal organisms for the transmission of the different diseases. So, dear students, in the series of those discussion of the different points and topics, so dear students, now we have we have also discussed the keywords one by one. There were 10 or 11 keywords. So dear students, and today we are going to discuss the transmission of the disease, as well as we will also revise the exercise questions and one by one, and I will discuss these all things in the series of discussion of the questions of the your exercise, because it is most important for you to also write the question answer. The first, we have discussed 1 2 3 4 questions yesterday. Today the question number 5. So why does it takes less time to prepare curd in summer as compared to preparing it in winters? So dear students, this is the very important question related to the microbes, how the microbes increases and what are the temperatures. So the question is, why does it takes less time to prepare curd in summer as compared to preparing it in winter? So there are two seasons. It is described in this question. So the best answer for this one will be, in summer, dear student, temperature is moderate or suitable. Moderate means that neither too extreme nor too less. So summer, the temperature is moderate or suitable for the curd formation by multiplying lactobacillus bacteria in milk. जो मिल्क में लैक्टोबैसिलस बैक्टीरिया होता है उसके लिए मॉडरेट टेम्परेचर या सुटेबल टेम्परेचर मिलता है, जिससे ये क्या करता है, लैक्टोबैसिलस बैक्टीरिया जो इंक्रीज करती मल्टीप्लाई उसमें करती है, उसकी संख्या ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है एंड द मिल्क चेंज इनटू कर्डलिंग यानी कर्ड में बदल जाता है. एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज, हाउ आर द फॉलोइंग डिजीज ट्रांसमिटेड? कैसे ये जो निम्नलिखित जो ये डिजीज है कैसे ट्रांसमिट करता है? So in this question there are so many diseases which has been given in your exercise questions. The first is the malaria. How malaria? Then malaria is spread या caused या transmitted by the female Anopheles mosquito, and it is a kind of protozoa. ये प्रोटोजोआ है और प्रोटोजोआ में भी एक स्पेसिफिक प्रोटोजोआ का नाम है जिसका नाम है प्लाज्मोडियम, PLASMODIUM, प्लाज्मोडियम है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, सेकेंड नंबर डिजीज इज द कॉमन कोल्ड. इट इज जनरल डिजीज दैट इज स्प्रेड फ्रॉम वन अनहेल्दी पर्सन टू ए हेल्दी पर्सन ड्यू टू द वायरस. ये वायरस होता है. व्हेन वी स्नीज और कफ्स, some water droplets that are being spreaded through our nostrils and through the air के द्वारा, and as well as it also spread या transmit by sharing cloths. क्लॉथ को क्लॉथ को हम शेयर करते हैं और ये वायरस से होता है. उस वायरस का नाम है राइनो वायरस. सो द कॉमन कोल्ड इज caused by virus by sneezing, coughing and sharing cloths, and by air it transmitted. Third number is the tetanus. Tetanus, this is the B number and this is C number. Tetanus soil cut by the rusted iron tools के द्वारा होता है. So mycobacterium tetani से ये होता है. This is spread when we use the rusted iron nails हो या कोई टूल से कट हो जाती है या सॉइल में we have the cuts, and through the soils this mycobacterium tetani enters to our the skin and we suffer from the tetanus. Last one D number is the typhoid. Typhoid is a water-borne disease या water contamination disease है. When water is contaminated and when the some patients are suffering from the typhoid, we are near to him, adjacent to him, उसके close हैं, and he by his stool या their stools it can also transmitted and it is caused by the bacteria salmonella typhi के द्वारा होता है. दिस इज द पार्टिकुलर बैक्टीरिया का नाम है. सो टाइफाइड कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर से होता है, बाय पेशेंट के स्टूल से, और बैक्टीरिया साल्मोनेला टाइफी से. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 7 नंबर, व्हाट आर एंटीबायोटिक्स, हाउ दे आर प्रोड्यूस, गिव टू एग्जांपल्स. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, यस्टरडे आई हैव आल्सो टोल्ड यू दैट एंटीबायोटिक्स क्या है. एंटीबायोटिक्स आर द केमिकल्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म और दैट किल और inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. Their examples are penicillin, erythromycins. So these are the questions, and the next question and the question number 2 we will have to discuss. Yeast is added to the batter used to make dosa. That why it is used. Then batter, idli dosa, then yeast develop into that. Yeast has the power to ferment the dough of the idli and dosa, and it produce the ethyl alcohol, convert the starch या carbohydrate into the alcohol, and the carbon dioxide also comes out from it, and the idli and dosa becomes fluffy and soft. So this is the most important, that the yeast is added to the batter used to make dosas. Second number question are 2 of E, question number 2, and the question number B. It is important to brush one's teeth before going to bed, because dear students, when we go to sleep, during that time our mouth are closed and the saliva is not produced, and that's why saliva has the some enzymes that can kill the bacteria present into our teeth. So that's why before going to bed it must be brushed. And after that, the question number, that reduce the quantity of salt in pickles and cause to bad. So dear students, so many questions, we will discuss all these things to the next video. Thank you for watching this video. We will discuss all things in the next video. Have a nice day.